Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a tutorial for you guys inspired by Rihanna's Vogue 10-minute makeup tutorial that she did, which was absolutely fun to watch. I really like that. It showed another side of her. So I'll be doing a look for you guys today featuring Deck of Scarlet. They came out with a new palette and this is in collaboration with Kim Tai. Alright, I'll show you guys the palette right here and I'll also show you close-ups right here so you could see the palette for yourself. Alright, and I'm really loving the colors that they picked for this palette. There is a kind of like a plummy magenta almost looking color. There's a rose gold, really nice soft brown caramel color in there. There's a highlight and a beautiful blush. You also get two lip colors, and for once you get a lip gloss. This is definitely new. They usually do not put lip gloss in there, so this is their first time putting a lip gloss in there, and I really love it. It's very pearly and shiny and I love how it feels and smells on the lips. So if you guys haven't heard of Deck of Scarlet before, they're a makeup palette subscription that you get every 2 months, which is $29.95, and you get 3 eyeshadows, a highlight, a blush. You get 2 lip colors, usually a lip liner, but they included a lip gloss this month, which I really like. But you get all those products for $29.95 every 2 months. You can cancel it anytime. If you're new to Deck of Scarlet, if it's your first month subscribing to them, you could pick your own palette if you don't like the one that they have right now. And you can also buy their single eyeshadows and their foiled eyeshadows if you don't want to be a subscriber. So I'll put that link down below for you guys to save 30% off your first time. So only for the first time subscribers. Get it for about $21. Each palette is a collaboration with a top YouTuber. So like I said, this month is Kim Tai. Alright, and you can check it out if you like. It's no commitment. You can cancel it anytime. Just go to the site, check it out, and see if there's anything there that you like. Deck of Scarlet is cruelty-free and paraben-free. They ship to US, Canada, and the UK for the moment. So I don't know if they're going to expand. You can always message them that if you want to know. But that's where they ship at the moment. So like I said, check them out. There's really no commitment. You can always cancel. It's $29.95 every other month. You can cancel anytime. And for new subscribers, you'll save 30% off by following the link down below in the description box to get 30% off your first palette, which will be about $21. And if you don't like the one they have right now, like I said, you could pick the one that you want. Okay, there's like tons of them there. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, please keep on watching. Before we start the video, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. Select all notifications so you don't miss any uploads. Alright you guys, to start off the look, I'm going to be using this shade called Myth. It's a very soft brown shade. So I'm just going to use this in my transition area using a flat blending brush. So if you turn this brush on the side, it gives you that effect to blend out your transition area. And if you turn it to the narrow side, if that makes sense to you guys, you can really concentrate color into your crease. So I have it on the wide side, so this way I can use it as a regular blending brush. I'm also going to use some of this eyeshadow shade to contour the top part of my nose area and bring that color into my transition as well. I'm just going to bring it down the sides of the nose just a bit. Now I'm going to go in with Crown. This is such a pretty color. I'm going to start off with a little bit at a time and just work in my crease and blending it up into my transition. I want to kind of smoke it out as much as I can because that's the look that I'm going for. I want something really soft, not too harsh, you know, something soft and sweet. So I'm doing pretty much the same thing on both sides. I am blending it into the crease and then bringing it up into my transition area, and then also adding a bit to the outer V and blending in a circular motion. I'm kind of rounding out the end part of it. I don't want like a winged out smoke look. I just want a rounded out smoke look, if that makes any sense to you guys. I hope it does. You know what I mean. Like rounded out, not winged out, okay? I'm also going to use a bit of this to the lower lashes just to smoke it out. Then I'm going to go in with the shade. It's called Enchanted. It's a rosy gold kind of bronzy shade. I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my lid area using a shadow brush. And like I said, I want a soft look. So I'm going to blend this into my crease just a bit, just to kind of soften it out. I don't want there to be like a defined line of separation between the two eyeshadows. So you guys will see me go back in with my blending brush in my crease just to soften it up. I'm then going to go in with a pointed detailer brush or a crease brush, and this is just going to help me concentrate a bit more of that crown shade underneath my lower lashes just to make it a bit more intense, but not too much. Still smoke it out so it's not too harsh. So as you guys can see, I went back in with my blending brush to soften that up, and then I'm going back into my crease with my blending brush to soften it up again. So if you're not like a fan of like falsies, you can definitely just put on some mascara and call it a day. I usually put on mascara before I put on my falsies, and I will be putting on falsies for this look because I want it to be a soft romantic look. So I'm going in with a more subtle looking lash instead of my overly dramatic ones. Now I'm just going to go in with a tiny brush just to kind of smudge out my mascara on my lower lashes just to kind of give it that appearance of fuller lashes. And with some editing magic, I have my falsies on. Very subtle, okay? And now I'm going to go in with that beautiful rose gold shade and highlight my brow bone. This is just going to make my brow bone pop just a bit more, which I really, really like. I was actually going to use this as my highlight for my cheeks, but I'm going to just use the highlight in the palette. I'm also going to highlight my tear duct area just to brighten it up, and now using the highlight from the makeup palette. This is called Fairy Dust. I thought it was going to be a softer kind of highlight, but it was a little bit brighter than I expected, so I'm just going to take off a bit of that because I don't want the highlight to be too bright. So just blending that in as much as I can, as I do want it to be subtle and not like overly dramatic. But it's nice to know that the highlight is really pigmented. I'm also going to apply a bit of this to the tip of the nose and blend it out as much as I can, and the bridge part of my nose just to bring some light to those areas. Then I'm going to apply a tad bit of this to the side parts of my forehead. This is where, you know, you can catch some light when you're taking pictures, especially in like model photography and things like that. You don't have to do it. It's just cute and fun to do. I'm going to go back in with a brush that I used to put on my foundation and just kind of mute it just a tiny bit. For lips, I wasn't sure what I wanted to do, so I did a combination. I used the Maiden shade to outline my lips, almost like a lip liner, just the darker part on the outer part of the lips with a lip brush. And I also did the same thing to the top part of the lip. So just outline the entire lip, and then I went in with the lighter shade. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply the lighter shade, which is the shade is called Kiss. I'm going to apply this with the same brush in the center part of my lips and just kind of blend it in as much as I can. I'm going to go back in with the darker shade and apply a bit of this to the outer part of the lip. This is going to kind of give me like a sweet, pinky, nudish looking lip that's not too nude and it's not too pink. It's just like the right color. Now I'm going to go in with this gorgeous lip gloss. This is called the High Shine Lip Gloss in Love Spell. It looks bronzy, but it has like some pink and gold reflex, and it's really, really pretty. And then now for a bit of blush. It's called Tiara. It's a very soft pink shade, not too dramatic and not like super harsh. So it comes on really nice. It's like a very bubblegum Barbie-esque blush. It's very, very soft. So just a bit of that. And this is the final look for the Deck of Scarlet x Kim Tai palette. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give this video a like/thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you guys want to see more videos from me. And comment down below and let me know what you think, okay? Remember, the special link is down below in the description box. Love you guys. Bye.